Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Successful Buddy. I'm coming to you from Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about Accuview a little bit, and that's the reason that I have this up. If you guys haven't been following, this is probably one of the biggest fights in boxing history. Um, Both of these guys are putting their undefeated record on the line here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I was actually thinking about cut changing my flight. I have my room until tomorrow here at the Tropicana, and I've been here 6 days already. And if I was going to change my flight and catch it home Saturday, it would have been all kinds of screwy flights, like Vegas to Oakland or Vegas to Boise, Idaho, or Vegas to LAX, and I would have a really long overlap before going back to Seattle and then going back to um, Bellingham, where I live at. So I've been here 6 days. It's hot as hell here in Las Vegas. I've never experienced any heat like this in my entire life in Las Vegas, Nevada. Um, Walking through the Cosmopolitan. That's just like an hour ago. Went and checked out the Cosmopolitan Casino. Couple hours in Vegas here. Got this thing on. It's freaking like it's over 100 degrees out there right now. But I got a tank top. I actually lost my phone in the Cosmopolitan, and that thing I had on around my neck, I dropped it because I was like a quarter of a mile away, and I realized I didn't have my phone, so I had to run back. And I was like, shit, I gotta catch my flight in a couple hours. I can't go without my phone. It's got my itinerary on there for my flights and everything. And so, Las Vegas, Nevada, beautiful place, but it was like 111 degrees, 113 degrees here. Really, really hot. That's for my last meal here at Denny's. I had breakfast for dinner. Yesterday at lunch, I went to the Luxor and ate some Mexican food at the El Diablo's Katana Mexican food there at the Luxor. That's from my friend's room. They were staying at the Flamingo, and they got to see that kitchen. I think my friend's gonna turn the light off. And
That's such a cool view. Okay, that's a lot better.
it looks a lot better when you're there, because when you're out there, it looks like a big old moon. Won $1,500 on the slot machine after I lost a whole bunch of money, so I kept most of it. And so yeah, this fight's going to be here in Las Vegas at the T-Mobile Arena. I'm actually just right down the road from this place right now. I didn't know they were doing a special weigh-in tomorrow. I would have loved to have been over there. I seen Mike Tyson over there. I didn't see him, but I just seen him on TV over there. And so you can get Accuview TV for just under $40 per month. With this, you're going to get over 8,000 channels. You're going to be able to get special events like this. You get Showtime. Then if there's MMA fights. When all these pay-per-views, the MMAs, boxing, wrestling, you're going to be able to find it on Accuview. And you're not going to have to pay any additional fees. They got the football season coming up, NFL, and there's no blackouts on there, so you can watch all the games from every corner of the United States without having to get like those big packages, spending a couple $100 a month for those packages. So you can get this with Accuview. All you need is an internet connection. You can watch it on your Android device. You can watch it on your smartphone. If you're going to watch it on your TV, you can use a Fire Stick. Just takes a couple steps to get it set up. But if you're going to watch it on your phone or your tablet, you don't need any additional equipment. I actually watch it on my phone all the time. And you're going to be able to get $10 residual payments for every subscription that you share with Accuview. You're going to get $10 residual income. And then you also get paid when your team gets sales with Accuview. I'm actually watching on the news right now. The I was just listening to that. I'm watching the interview on TV right now. So to get Accuview, click the link in the description. You should be able to get all the information within a short time. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to fill in the form, and when you fill in that form, it's going to bring you to the sales page. Follow the instructions, push the green button, and it's going to bring you to PayPal. Pay the $40, $39.95 with the PayPal, and then with your email that you used, you're going to find all that information in the email. It's going to say welcome to Accuview. And then once you get signed up with the services, you can sign up as an affiliate if you want to make money with this. If you don't want to make money with this and you just want to enjoy the services, that's fine. So I'm sharing the services with you. There's also a money-making opportunity. You do not have to take advantage of that. That's just a special perk of being a part of Accuview, is you can share it and pretty much make money with it, and just refer 4 people, and your bill's covered because you're going to pay $10 per person. That's optional. So click the link in the descriptions, my friends. I just wanted to share this with you since this fight's coming up this weekend, and this is I should have been doing more videos out here, but it was so freaking hot. I just couldn't do it. I spent a lot of time in my hotel rooms. I did walk the strip, but I didn't walk the strip until evening times. So it's beautiful out here in Vegas. I do look forward to coming back here. I want to come back here in probably December when it's cooler out here, not when it's 113 degrees. The 80-degree weather is like the perfect weather for me. That's like going outside with shorts for me. So at that, my friends, check out Accuview. Click the link in the description, and it's going to bring my website is paidtowatchtv.com. Click that link, and it's going to bring you to a capture page. Fill that form in. It's going to bring you to the sales page. It looks like it's going to look like this, and that's one of the other perks. If you're going to take advantage of this, I'm going to put this on mute, this group on mute, until I change it. That's another perk when you join me on Accuview, is you're going to be able to have access to this team training, and you're going to be able to get a site just like this one, an Accuview paid website. And the team leader, I think he just gives it to us for a one-time $20, and then it explains everything on there, and you can get started. It's going to have your name on there also, like if your name's Jane or Jim or Joey, put your name on there with your number, and then they can text you after they joined you. Hey buddy, I joined your team. That's my personal cell phone number right there. And then you have the sign-up process. So you're not going to be stuck trying to figure out how to sign up with this. You know that you're going to get over 8,000 channels that covers various of different countries also. So that's what you're going to get with Accuview, is you're going to be able to have access to a support group, a chat group. You're going to get a lot of training. When you join me, I'm going to send that training over to you if you want to take advantage of the affiliate part of this. You're going to be a part of the Good Life team. And the Good Life team, they provide a different trainings. They have drop cards, flyers, and stuff. Yeah, a group. So you're going to be a part of a community when you join this group. So click that link in the description, my friends. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I got to get ready to call this Uber up, catch my flight, get cleaned up here. Click that link in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video when I'm back home in Washington. All right, my friends. Thanks for watching.